So this is tagged data, metadata, and therefore, when the question came, what are the advantages? If once we have done a tagging, once XBRL file is created, we can use that data in any form. It will be a click of button. If we want to file a sales tax return, we can do in XBRL form. If we want to file an excise return, we can do that. So the process, the transaction cost will be saved. The manipulation will be difficult. Though we know that those who want to do wrong things, they are more genius than those who do right things. So there may be always ways available to manipulate, but the chances gets reduced. Like before XBRL, there used to be barcode, which is more than 5 decades old. And we have seen what happens in barcode when we go to a shopping mall, when we go to a bookshop. There is a scanner which reads barcode and the full description, price gets published, and there is an integration, the inventory gets reduced and all those things. These are the similar advantage will happen in financial reporting once XBRL process will be used. So we can do a similarity. Now, what is not XBRL? Sometimes we get a conception that, XBRL is like this. XBRL is not set of accounting standard. It is not a GAAP. GAAP means full grammar principles of accounting, generally accepted accounting principles. So GAAP will include accounting standards, guidance note, interpretations, technical guide on accounting, all that will be part of GAAP. But XBRL is not a GAAP. XBRL is a process which tags the line item which has to go to. Similarly, there will be a tagging, like it was rightly answered by Pawan that the notes, the auditor's report, and everything which is there in the annual report, there can be a tagging. It can be in a machine readable form. Then XBRL is not a chart of accounts. Like earlier, before computerization, we had accounting manual for account, number were there for each account head. It is not a GAAP translator. Like we cannot convert Indian GAAP into US GAAP or UK GAAP. That process is now done in XBRL. Then it is not a proprietary technology. Like if we read more on XBRL, it is an open source tool. It is publicly available tool, and there is no separate payment required to do this. And it is not a transaction protocol. Why XBRL is an important for any business information user? Because the technology and the advantages of XBRL, because now suppose somebody has to do an analysis of the financial information, or say the supplier of the goods or the giver of the loan, that person will be doing a separate analysis, what is the liquidity, what is the net worth. Now in XBRL, all this will happen by the click of the button, because there is already tagging what is current asset, what is liquid asset, what is current liability. All these are already tagged in the XBRL file. And then those issues will come up. Currently there is a filing. Then public, like if we go to PCAOB website, Public Company Accounting Oversight Board of US, there that public view is available. Whatever information is filed by the companies which are listed in New York Stock Exchange. So that will happen as we will move further in the usage of XBRL. Now India, we are very lucky in this process, this invention or this new animal. India has come very fast, because in the world, it was in the year 1998, about 13 years back, when the US certified public accountant Charles Hoffman, he, because of a necessity, because in this world, everything happens out of necessity. And everything happens twice. First, when a person thinks about it, and second time when it happens. Like this today's conference is happening for the second time. First time when ASSOCHAM took a decision that in Bombay, on 20th August, we will do a program on XBRL and how it can be used for M&A. That time it happened for the first time, Jain Saab. Second time it is happening today. If the first time it would not have taken place, so we have to tell our mind as a user, no, XBRL is good. We need to go into detail what are the advantages. Then we should take a decision whether it is easy or difficult. XBRL is a very easy process. It is we professionals or some of my colleagues who are the tool vendors, they have created a buzz, XBRL is like this, and that need to be done. So it depends on which side you are. Then only the other side will take an interest. Yes, it is a little process which requires understanding, but it is, just 95% or 99% is an accounting and 1% is the use of technology to convert a trial balance into an electronic form. So there is in last 13 years, there has been a process and usage by other countries like Australia, Canada, Germany, Japan. And see what is, so this is a graph which gives the evolution stage from 1998 till 2011. Now what are the benefits of XBRL? The advantages of XBRL. The XBRL, if we do once a process of conversion, since the tool which converts the physical data into electronic data is not a full-fledged software, like we call it a conversion tool. We don't call it a software because software and this is not a programming language. XBRL process, the XBRL is not a programming language. So if we go into detail, there is a science why we use a particular word. And many of these words in XBRL has come out of the Greek word, like schema means shape, it is a Greek word. Taxonomy is again a Greek word, a combination of taxo and nomi, which means a dictionary of labels.